A very good welcome to our lecturer, Encik Khairulnizam. My name is Seksyen, metric number AA232452, and this is our group project on manufacturing process. So, the company that we are going to interview produces or has a lot of services, but the main service that we are going to focus on is the manufacturing process of metal stamped products. So, that is metal stamping. So, like I said, my name is Seksyen. We have my group members. We have Arthur Ang Junrong, Chai Juan En, Ki Jia Le, and Lo Jiaqi. So now I will talk about the introduction to our project. So the company that we are going to interview is Yukon Enterprise. So the company has many services, but the main service that we are going to focus on is metal stamping. So we are going to discuss about what is metal stamping, what are its advantages, what are its disadvantages. So what does metal stamping for the company has impact on the environment? How does the company reduce the impact? And we are going to dive into the full endeavor of what the company produces during the metal stamping process. So now, Kijala will talk about the next part of our group presentation.
My name is Kijala and my metric number is AA232599. So I will continue the presentation. For the objective of this research is to delve into the production methods of metal stamped products. Then is understand the complexity of the metal stamping process. Identify the potential environment impacts associated with the process. And the last one is explore the measures implemented by the company to mitigate these risks and reduce environment pollution. For the scope, the first one is company overview. Investigate the nature of company and its manufacturing processes. For the second is metal stamping process. To describe the company's comprehensive process for producing metal stamp products. For the third is environmental impact. To analyze the environmental consequence of the manufacturing process and the company's efforts to minimize these impacts. Now I will continue present the information of the company. The Yukon Enterprise BP STM BHD, also you can call it Yukon, was established on July 40, 2008 to manage the precision metal stamping, tooling, and die fabrication prototype sample, tool die design, electroplating, and product assembly business. Previously, the business operated under a partnership firm known as Yukon Enterprise. The farm commenced operation in September 1994 with limited scale of operations, primarily catering to local markets. Through the collective efforts of its partners, Yukon's performance has progressively improved, notably by expanding its market reach to Singapore, China, and Indonesia. In response to the growing demand, the company has expanded its workforce and upgraded its machinery to enhance the productivity and efficiency. The company's human resources are more stable than those of overseas competitors. Yukon priorities continuous improvement programs to ensure timely delivery of high-quality products that meets the expectation of its customer. Thank you.
Thank you, the presentation of Diala. Now I want to continue the presentation. The part that I will talk is questions. Before we start, my name is Lo Jiaqi and my matrix number is A232409. So the company is doing the precision metal stamping. So the precision metal stamping is a manufacturing process that uses die to form flat metal steel into complex components. The metal stamping process is usually performed on cold rolled steel. So the step of work. Firstly, cool steel is placed on top of the die. Second, hydraulic pressure is applied to the steel to conform it to the shape of the die. And the third is a conveyor system removes the step method. And the last one is the cycle continues with a conveyor system replacing the new steel sheet of metal to be stepped. They have some advantage and disadvantage here. So the advantage is the cost of steel metal stamping is relatively low and also very suitable for mass production. So the disadvantage is a lot of scrap is generated, resulting in a lot of material waste. The cost of sheet metal stamping die is quite high. Now I want to talk about the sheet metal stamping impact to the environment. Firstly, resource depletion. Sheet metal stamping requires metals such as copper, aluminum, and iron. These metals have a great impact on the environment during mining and processing. Then, waste generation. A large amount of materials is used during stamping operations and thus a large amount of waste is generated. Then is energy consumption. The sheet metal stamping process requires a lot of energy, including the extraction of raw metals and the subsequent stamping operation, giving the inherent risks associated with the process. Sheet metal stamping is often automated. The last one is the company strives to reduce its environmental impact. So the first one is the company adheres the steel environmental regulation for waste management and responsible handles and recycle metal scrap. Then the company use energy saving technology to minimize carbon emissions. Also, they have implemented noise reduction and dust removal system. The last one is they use recycled materials and adopt green manufacturing techniques wherever possible.
My name is Khairulnizam and my matrix number is AA232598. I would like to present about my part 2.3 challenge and industry trends. The first one is the main challenge currently faced by the metal stamping industry. So the metal stamping industry faces challenges such as fluctuating raw material price and increasing labor costs. The second is what are the future trends in metal stamping technology? It is a trend toward automation and the adoption of advanced technologies to improve efficiency and precision. The last one is the plan for digitalization of smart manufacturing. The integration of digital technologies will enhance our manufacturing processes and remain competitive. So the next is talent and career opportunities. But primarily requirements for stamping technicians and engineers, strong understanding of metal stamping processes, tooling design, and quality control. And the second is skill and technologies are currently in high demand in the industry. A skill in CNC operation, CAD, CAM software, and the knowledge of ISO quality system are highly valued. And the last one is, as a mechanical engineering student, what advice would you give for the entering for the metal stepping industry? So the answer is gaining practical experience through internships and staying updated with the industry advancement and the crucial for a successful career in metal stepping.
So thank you to our previous presenter. So now I'm going to talk about the conclusion to our project. So we have studied previously about the company Yukon Enterprise, about manufacturing metal stamp products. So we analyze the environmental impacts to the manufacturing process. We analyze how does the product get created, what's the advantages, what's the disadvantages. So through interviews, we identified the key challenges faced by the company. In addition, the future metal stamping is expected to shift towards automation, digitalization, and the use of advanced materials. Therefore, Yukon Enterprise is considering integrating smart manufacturing situations. Overall, the study provides valuable insight into particular applications of metal stamping technology and its role in modern manufacturing. So that said, modern manufacturing has lots of advantages and a lot of things that can be integrated and be automated. So we work towards the future. We have a lot of challenges to face, but the company that we interviewed will face those challenges with good intentions and be integrating automation and maybe AI powered stuff in their future production.
My name is Uthm and my metric number is AA2325 and 34. I will present an overview of the interview process with Yukon Enterprise SDM PhD company for academic research on metaforming process. On January 14, an interview request was sent, proposing a 20 until 30-minute session either face-to-face or online to discuss meta-forming technical, production efficiency, industry challenges, and sustainability. Next, on January 16, the HR department responded that the management was overseas, making an in-person or online interview impossible, but they will to answer questions via email. A follow-up email was sent to the same day, accepting the email format and attract the list of questions. Next, on January 18, the management department provided detailed response to the question, and the interview process had been completed. Thank you.